Hello, sir. 6 feet, please. 6 feet. Thank you. 6 feet. What do you want my autograph? What do you want, sir? Phone number for what? Oh, no phone numbers while I'm in public, sir. But if you want a signed autograph from me, normally I pay people to take them, but in your case I'll charge you 25 cents. No deal? Okay. Well, no deal. He thought I was expose.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no. Can I help you with anything?
6 feet, please. Thank you.
Can I help you with anything?
No, thank you. What? Do I need help? Oh, you're Mr. Luis Villalba? Villalba with your Cedar. What is security? Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Luis Villababa. Villaba. Cedar Sinai Security. Thank you. It's a wonderful day out here, and you must be hot and blue.
Can I help you with anything?
Well, do you have a water? Well, I don't want to go inside. It's private property. Could you bring me one?
Can I help you with anything else?
That's the only help I need. Would you help me? Because I'm hot, and I'm wearing my pajama top today because I didn't have a pressed shirt.
Are you videoing everybody out here in the public?
Pardon me?
Are you videoing everybody out here in the public?
Anything that I can see in public, I'm recording. Everything, yeah, in public. I would never dream of going and filming something of private nature from a public area. Yeah. I'm trying to be well versed in my rights, and I'm not here for any ill intent. So you're very cordial. I didn't have to discuss it with you, but you came at me correctly, so I'm coming back at you correctly. So now, since we had that cordial, could you please do that for me and at least get me that water? You're a good guy. You do it?
Okay, let me look into it.
Okay. Will you? Oh, that doesn't sound reassuring. Okay, don't let me hang, please. Thank you. The water would be helpful because it's hot. Yeah, I'm just recording. No bad intent. Sure, why would you tell me that? I already know that. I already explained that I wouldn't come into this building. So why would you tell me to stay here when I already told you I would stay here? That's insanity. I'm well versed on the law, sir. Mr. Luis Villalba he tried to be helpful, but then he pushed it over the edge. That's what happens. Hopefully he'll come through and bring me that water I asked him for because we were in that cordial conversation. And if he does, then I'm going to say he's a standout guy. But if he keeps me out here this long without giving me the water, he said, it's going to be a whole different story. Yes, I have a very sneaky suspicion that he was putting me on the Hummer and he's not going to bring me any water. Because he said, well, let me see. Let me check what's available. You know, you just go inside and then you grab the water and you come out to the public and say, here you go. Thank you. Hello, sir. 6 feet, please. 6 feet. Thank you. 6 feet. What do you want my autograph? What do you want, sir? Phone number for what? Oh, no phone numbers while I'm in public, sir. But if you want a signed autograph from me, normally I pay people to take them, but in your case I'll charge you 25 cents. No deal? Okay. Well, no deal. He thought I was expose. Like I told him, I pay people to take my autograph, but in him I'm going to charge him, and he just walked away. Hey, I got to make a living. So, that's the way they work it here, security. I'm waiting for my water, sir. I record all my encounters with people who break their word. What's that? Well, I couldn't understand you, but more power to you.